was scary.
Right.
Whoa.
We're going to do it. Come on. Ah, you dropped it again, huh?
That was scary, man. I thought I touched something that wasn't meant to be touched or something.
Huh?
I thought I touched something. That's why it banged or something.
Now it's going to be easy.
Yeah.
Now it's going to be easy.
Oh, man. This will happen to real good, Paul.
Now, sit back in now. Now we're back.
Fucking hell.
We're back.
Get that hammer out of the way.
We're back. On your gloves.
Oh, my God.
Now. See?
Oh. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man.
You're okay now.
Ah. Paul, you're some man. You're some man. You're some
okay.
man.
You're okay. Now, what we're going to do is, right, I have this turned off.
Yeah.
Okay. We're not using magnets because I want to make it hard for you. That, and look, just run it along it like that, and then you create your weld. It's not very loose, Jamie.
Yeah.
That's dangerous now. Go on.
Why do you keep saying it's dangerous? Because
Well, it is. Yeah.
okay, so
Now.
I need the welding eyes. Yeah.
Nice, yeah. Put them on you there now. I'm going to turn it on. You're on. There, Max, go back in. One. Well.
It's not working.
Why? No, look, I'm going to show you. Watch. Look.
It's
There. You have,
Oh.
you have to be kind of.
Oh.
You have to be firm.
Oh shit.
Right? One.
Why is it stuck? It's stuck to it. Oh.
That's it. Well.
What the fuck? Why is he holding it so tight like that?
Let's take one. One.
Fucking hell.
Alright, hang on for a minute. Oh, it's on fire. Fabud, it's on fire.
Okay, stop it,
Get
stop
up. Get up, quick. Get up.
Stop
Get
it.
up.
What? This is why I'll never learn how to wear.
I'm going to start it off.
How you doing?
It's still turned on, it's still turned on.
Still on. Hang on.
Wait.
Give me the gloves and I start it off here.
Woo! Whoa.
Right, come over here now. Run over. Now sit down, put that on you. And your gloves.
Why does it go dark whenever you do this, like up and down? It goes dark and light again.
It has to.
Oh.
It has to.
Oh, cool. Nice.
Now you should get it. Okay, take your time now. Don't hold it now. You don't have to hold it. If you're not looking at it, Jenny.
No.
Well, it's stuck to it. Okay.
That's it. Hold it. It's going on fire again, Fabud.
Oh wait, what?
Let go. Let go. Let go of everything. Oh look, quick, it's glowing.
Oh, quick, the wire. Jeez.
Bro, shit! What the fuck? What happened? What happened? Shit! What? See, not everybody can fucking weld, okay? See, you're just like a master of all trade. I'm just a master of just comedy. That's it. Fuck it.
No,
Oh
we're gonna make a weld.
no!
That one now is gone, yeah? I put it over
It's
here.
actually gone.
Gone, you burnt it out.
So how do you do it? You need to teach me. I can't just learn myself, like naturally. You didn't teach me how to do this, man. This is crazy.